In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a FaceTime call and turn it into a fun family experience, especially if you're traveling or juggling a busy routine. Let's dive right in and make those FaceTime calls as enjoyable and memorable as possible. First, before we start making those calls, the most important step is to make sure that everyone you want to include in your FaceTime call actually has FaceTime set up on their device. This might seem basic, but it's a step that's easily overlooked. To check, go to your device's settings, then navigate to apps, and from there go to FaceTime. Make sure it's toggled on. This enables you to both make and receive FaceTime calls effortlessly. Now that everybody's on board, let's start a FaceTime call. Open the FaceTime app on your device. You will typically spot a button labeled New FaceTime. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're there, you'll need to tap the plus button. Enter the name, email, or phone number of the family member you want to call. This is a straightforward way to ensure you're connecting with the right person or people. If video isn't your thing and you'd instead prefer an audio-only call, you can also tap the audio button instead of video. If one-on-one isn't enough and you want to include more people, FaceTime makes it easy to invite multiple members. After starting your call, simply swipe up on your screen and hit Add Person. You can add as many as 32 people in one call. Imagine having a mini family reunion right from your phone or tablet. Let's talk about adding a little bit of fun to these calls. While you're on a FaceTime call, you can use emojis, filters, or stickers to bring some laughter and personality into the mix. Just tap the effects icon during the call to access these features. They can make a world of difference, especially if you're connecting with kids or someone who'd enjoy a little humor. For those of you using Mac or the latest versions of iOS, another creative way to keep things fresh is by using interactive backgrounds. You can blur or even change your background during the call to reflect your current location or activity, matching your crazy travel routine. With the right backdrop, calling from a hotel room or busy airport lounge can almost feel like a fun adventure pit stop rather than a disruption. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making those FaceTime calls not just a check-in with loved ones, but a cheerful and entertaining experience for everyone involved. You can now keep in touch no matter where life takes you or how hectic things get. Thanks for watching, and happy FaceTiming.